once we saw these floods hitting, the first thing that my mind went through is, oh my God, the animals. I can't even imagine what they're going through, being stuck in these barns, stuck in these farms, stuck in cages, stuck in just basically cement walls that they aren't able to get out of. It was just absolutely devastating. Everything in that valley is kind of just decimated right now. It smells like sewage. It smells like death. It is just like a feeling of helplessness. It's a feeling of, despair. Just seeing all of those calf hutches just strewn all over the place or piled up makes you also wonder, like, did all of those calves get out to safety? Did all of those baby cows drown and die, stuck in those calf hutches? Think there's thousands and thousands of mother pigs and there's tens and thousands of baby pigs, and they're all just drowning to death. They were stuck in farrowing crates. They were literally stuck in cages that are no bigger than their body, and it's hard to think about that. Just my opinion, but I believe she still wants this industry to be seen as something that's needed, something that's natural, something that is great for our economy. And she doesn't want the public to be seeing the devastation that is caused by these natural disasters, or even probably how many animals are actually in these farms and how many animals are actually dying as a result of both, the industry itself and because of these natural disasters.